Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a killer car. It's a 1963 Nova SS. It's finished in Aqua poly. Sitting on Rallye. It's got a 327 under the hood with power steering and power brakes. Beautiful, honest car. Super straight body. Gorgeous chrome and stainless all the way around. We also have the original SS caps that go with this car. Got buckets up front. Powerglide transmission. Runs and drives fantastic. Lofty buckets. Love that moon tack. Look at these seat belts too. So cool. Showing 14,730 miles. And the center console is beautiful. Novas are getting harder and harder to find, especially in this year. Some people call it a box Nova. It's 327. Edelbrock high-rise manifold. Power steering, power brakes. Got a blaster coil in it. It's like electronic ignition. Brand new alternator. There it is. 18 blue poly. Got custom valve covers. Electronic choke, 4BL carburetor, new battery, like a new steering box too. Maybe the power steering is probably added. Nice padding under the hood. We also have the original caps in the trunk. Let me show you those. Real clean back here as well. Car covers included. These are the original caps that came from the factory with this car. Still see the numbers on the trunk lid here, which is pretty cool. Super nice. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 200 photos I took today on the main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.